Welcome back, my dear student. How are you? I hope everyone will be fine. I am GD sir from LP Public School, and today I will explain the chapter Go Girl Go. Okay, it is very inspiration chapter, and you know that in a past time, it means before the 2018, many of the person participate in a games, Indian games and international games, and women's are not participate in the sports areas. But after a moment, it means after the 2018, many of the women participate in Indian games and sports and getting and achieving and also get the success in this area. Okay, so you are today we will know some of the personality in this chapter, and this chapter also inspired the many of the girls in a class. So listen this chapter and know how the woman prove herself before the world. Okay, so sports in India has been largely about in men. Okay, in India it is the this our country is a main focus of the men, but women is only only a housewife. But nowadays, on this time, many of the women increase our ability and skills and show up before the world. Okay, and but in 2018, women changed the world of Indian sport. Okay, there are many area and women also prove herself, but in sports 2018 women show up or change the world of Indian sports. Okay, at the Asian game in Jakarta, Indonesia, and the Commonwealth Games in Queensland, Australia. Okay, talented and hard working Indian sportswomen broke many records and won more medals than even before. Okay, like in the 2018 many games held, like in Asian Games, World Under 20 Championship, and in this game the women proved themselves to show up what is the power of women. Okay, and these Asian Games also held in Jakarta, Indonesia, and Commonwealth Game and Queensland also, Australia's, and they show their talent by hard working and show up the Indian sports women is not less than men. Okay, and they broke many of the record in previous record. Okay, and get many of the medals. Okay, and today we will know a personality, and that personality is Hima Das. Okay, Hima Das and won Indians the first ever gold medal to the IAAF World Under 20 Athletics Championship in Finland. Okay, Hima Das was born in 9 January 2000. It means her birth is 9 January 2000, and her nickname is Ding Express. Okay, Ding Express born near the town of Ding and called the Ding Express by the fans. Sports education for girl her village. Okay, when she read or she get education in her school, and her born where she born in Ding. Okay, Ding is the village name, and so her friend called her Ding Express. Clear? and named UNCF, okay, UNICEF, India's first youth ambassador. Okay, she means Hima Das is the first Indian first youth ambassador. Okay, now we will know about the more things by reading the chapters. And in a Jakarta there are a newspaper published in 27 August 2018. Okay, and the newspaper, it means editors published the newspaper and give the thanks and congratulations to the Hima Das. And what the publishers said, congratulations are pouring in for Indian star athletes from Assam. Okay, it means Ding is the village that is situated in Assam, and the Jakarta publishers say that congratulations are the pouring in for Indian star athletes from Assam. Okay, she belongs from the Assam, and Hima Das also increased the star of the sportsman as a sportsman, and also increased the dignity of India from the Assam. And Hima Das, she recently won 1 gold and 2 silver medals for the country in the Asian Games at Jakarta. The spinsters opened her account with a fantastic finish in the women's 400 events. Okay, Hima Das won the gold medal in IAAF World Under 20 Championships. Okay, it means she won the gold medal in Jakarta, Indonesia 2018 4 into 400 meter event. Okay, and she won the silver with a record timing of 50.59. Okay, 50.59 seconds. She won the silver medal by the timing record of 50.59 seconds, and she followed it up with a silver in the mixed 4 into 400 meter relay. Okay, and she also won the gold medal mixed in 4 into 400 meter in Jakarta of Indonesia 2018. Okay, and she was also a part of the women's quarters that claimed the gold in the 404 meters relay. Okay, 404 meters relay, he also get the gold medal and get the silver medal in 2018 Jakarta, Indonesia in 400 meters. Okay, her coach name is in the beginning the Nippon Das trained her, but after that the Galina Bukharina, okay, trained her to as a spinster, as an athlete. Okay, and her coach first spotted her in an inter-district event in 2016. It means Nippon also, her coach also spotted her in an inter-district event in 2016. Okay, and where she tagged the gold in both 100 meter and 200 meter. Okay, she get gold 100 meter and 200 meter, and she would start show and peak toward the end, which made her perfect for the 400 event. When her coach saw that in the beginning she running very slow, okay, and in the peak toward in the end of his taking the more race, he taking more race and running very fast after that. And so the coach think that if the Hima Das participated in 400 event, it is better for her. Okay, and then so the coach shifted her in 400 meters event, and Hima says that what Hima says? Hima says that she was interested in sports from her childhood. She is also interested to participate and going in field of the sports. Okay, and he dreamed of the representing India in a football. Her family says that a school teacher made her choose athlete over her first love. Okay, it means in the beginning when the Hima Das as a childhood, her interested into play of football. Okay, but her teacher, his family said that her teacher encouraged, inspired her to participate in a sports and get interest in a athlete. Okay, and the first, and that was the first love to her. Okay, and love football, and now she is one of the national star athlete. Okay, and today it means nowadays she is the national star of India. Okay, and she is the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal in a track event at the IAAF World Under 20 Championship, and she was appointed as a Deputy Superintendent of the Police DSP in Assam Police under sports, Indian sports game. Okay, and she also gave 3 gold. First gold in Jakarta, and in the third gold he get in Tampere, and it is the in 400 meters. Okay, so Hima Das is the very inspirable girls who belongs from a village. She belongs from a village and she is very poor, but with his courage and hope and help of the coach, he gave and his dream, he complete his dream and get faith in the world. Okay, so you know about the Hima Das, more of the things like Hima Das born in 9 January 2000, and her nickname is Ding Express. Why we call her as a Ding Express? Because she belongs from the Ding village. Okay, and where is the Ding village? It is situated in Assam, and she is the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal in a track event at the IAAF World Under 20 Championship. It means she is the first woman person who get gold medal for the India. Okay, and after that she was appointed as a deputy superintendent of the policy DSP. We can say in a short as a DSP in a Assam police. Clear? And she get gold medal in 2018 Jakarta. Where is the Jakarta? In Indonesia, at 4 into 400 meters, and gold in Jakarta 2018, mixed 4 into 400 meters, and then get silver in Jakarta 2018 as a 400 meter event, and she also get gold medal in World Under 20 Championship in Tampere 2018 400 meter. Okay, so she complete her dream and show up in the world her skill and encourage the many of the personality that is the belong from a village. Okay, I hope if you want to get success, okay, if you want to get success, then do hard work and get your success. Clear? I hope you all understand this chapter and know and read this chapter by heart again and know more thing about the Hima Das. So thank you for the watching this video.